Morning and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. My name is Jan. I'm the co-founder of Toggle, and in today's video we're going to, as we do every day, take a look at one of the insights that was generated by Toggle for a particular stock over the last few hours. For any of those who are joining us for the first time, we do this every market trading day and we use it and show you how you might take advantage of Toggle's analytical abilities to really supercharge your own investing process. If you'd like to see more of these, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or otherwise go to toggle.global, where you can also test drive Toggle Copilot yourselves. Today we're going to focus, as I mentioned, on Zillow. Toggle has just highlighted that there could be some positive seasonality for the stock, and so clicking on this, and as you can see, actually there hasn't been anything in quite some time, so this is quite notable that we see some price pressure emerging here. Clicking on the actual insight, you can see immediately that what's happening here is potentially quite tradable. In other words, what the system is saying is that at the entry point of 136.14 over the following 3 months, or potentially even earlier given a confidence interval, the stock could reach as high as 176.89 on the positive drift of the seasonality. Now Toggle has gone back to analyze 10 years worth of data in order to generate this, both the projection as well as the confidence interval, and found that the typical drift over the following 3 months is just shy of 30%. So a very, very chunky move. Now, of course, the key thing here is you want the price to stay within this confidence interval and certainly not dip below 115.76, which is where you must reevaluate the position or potentially even place your stop loss. Now, looking at the quality checklist, this actually received 7 out of 8 stars, in part because it really has been quite frequent. There's enough data to analyze, and the risk reward on this is quite attractive. To take a look at this, we just click on past performance here, and you'll be able to see that indeed the distribution of returns over the 3-month period in these episodes that Toggle was able to study ranges from near 20% all the way up to substantially higher in some cases, and the downside was substantially more limited, near 10%. So the risk reward is really quite compelling, and if you had invested $1 in each one of these past times, you would have ended up with $12 of profit today. So definitely something to take a look at, see how Zillow might fit with your overall views in your portfolio, but something that Toggle is highlighting might be good to start taking a look at now. So much on Zillow today. We're in the daily brief, which by now should be in your mailboxes already if you subscribe. If you don't, again, you can do so at toggle.global. We take a look at a couple of really encouraging market indicators for all of the bullish investors out there, mostly having to do with market breadth. We explain what that is and what it means for the future of market price action. Thanks for your attention, and we'll see you again tomorrow.